coming from the Yamaha camp, we also have some more gear change. Obviously, the last week, the Cooper Webb news has kind of overshadowed this, but Justin Cooper, on his own side, is actually having some big change. One, for the gear, he's going from Alpinestars to O'Neill, so, big change in itself. Everything he's going to be wearing from, well, I guess technically shoulders to ankles, but also on his head, he's also going, also changed to the HJC. So this is big news. I mean, there's a lot of money being thrown around here. You consider changing full gear sets and helmets on the Yamaha squad, especially Cooper. It's funny. This is Justin Cooper and Cooper Webb are both just big changes. You're used to something for so long, and obviously gear is probably pretty similar, I would assume. Comment down below. Tell me if I'm wrong. I don't know. I don't wear motocross gear, or I guess supercross gear, whatever you want to call it. So I don't know really that much of a difference between like O'Neill to Thor to Alpinestars, like how they fit or feel, whatever. So comment down below. Tell me which one you have a preference for, if you ride, or if you just care. But to switch everything from your full set of gear for Justin Cooper, it's pretty big. On the HJC Instagram, they said, quote, "Big news, HJC Helmets is thrilled to welcome 450 SMX MX rider Justin Cooper to the family, ready to take on the 25 stage together. Let's go JC32." And then, let's see here. On the O'Neill page, it said, "Off the track reserved. On the track, relentless. Welcome to the team, J. Coop." Enjoy the ride. That's their little tag thing. But, I mean, this is big news. There's a lot of people, a lot of money being thrown around. Obviously, these are big contracts for these, top riders, the top guys. It's not going to be this cheap little thing of just a quick decision of, yeah, sure, I'll switch to this. Give me $1,000. No, this is going to be big, big money contracts. And I don't know. You guys tell me. Comments down below. Do you like I said, what's the difference between them? If you have a preference, what is it? Do you have a favorite brand in general? Like, I know a lot of people just are brand specific because that's the one they bought and they like it. But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who had the better move, whatnot. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.